Welcome back into Vital Creations. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to create a BloFin account on PC, claim your deposit bonus, and refund your account. Let's get started. Step 1 is registering on BloFin. Open your browser and go to the BloFin homepage, link in the description. Click the registered button. Enter email and create a strong password. Agree to the terms of service and then click register. Check your email for a verification code. Copy it and enter it to complete your registration. Step 2 is to claiming your deposit bonus. By signing up through our link, you're eligible for a deposit bonus of up to 5,000 USD. Navigate to the promotion sections in your BloFin dashboard. Select the available bonus and review the requirements. Make a qualifying deposit to activate the bonus. You'll receive a confirmation email with the details above your rewards. Step 3 is to depositing funds into your account. Go to the deposit section of BloFin and choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. BloFin will generate a unique wallet address for your transaction. Copy the address and use the QR code to transfer funds from your external wallet. Once to confirm blockchain, your funds will appear from your BloFin balance. And that's it. You've successfully registered, claimed your deposit bonus, and funded your BloFin account. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.